Hello, my name is Raj. I'm a second year marketing and advertising student, but I'm also a student careers coordinator here at Kingston University. One thing I wish I knew last year was the opportunities available in the Careers Festival.
Hi guys, my name is Christian Anthony. I'm currently a third year psychology student here at Kingston, and I'm also one of your student careers coordinators working here in the Careers and Employability Service. This month we're having a virtual careers festival with a wide variety of activities ranging from LinkedIn workshops to CV building and applying for postgraduate study. So if you're interested in any of these, please sign up on Job Central and partake in the activities.
Hi, my name's Moana and I am part of the Student Careers Coordinator team. I'm a third year graphic design student and thinking about graduate jobs for next summer. Because of this, I'm thinking of joining in on the How to Get Ahead in the Creative Job Market talk, which will be happening at the Careers Festival this month.
The Career Fest session that I'll be attending is the planned virtual event, and the main reason is that I have a general idea of the requirements that are needed for me to become or to be able to do internship either in the university or outside in a lab. But the issue is I'm not exactly sure where to start. I've searched everywhere, but there's quite a huge amount of information, and I need someone who has a general idea of where to begin to help me.
Hey, I'm Tom, a third year business management student and student careers coordinator at Kingston University. I'm currently at the planning stage of my career, so it's important for me to go to Career Fest. I'm looking forward to the graduate scheme session the most, as it will help me the most.
Hi, my name's Chloe Casoni. I am a third year finance student and I'm currently in the apply stage of my job hunt. Because of this, I'm going to attend the What's Your Story personal branding workshop at the Careers Fest so I can figure out how best to write my elevator pitch for future clients and jobs.
Hi, my name is Cherie and I'm in my final year of study at Kingston University, and so naturally I will need to start applying for jobs soon. This is why I'm going to the Careers Festival, so I can learn about opportunities available to me as soon as I graduate, but also to see if I can develop my own skills specifically in regards to working in the virtual world. Even if you're not in your third year of study, it's important for you to go to the jobs fair to see what opportunities are available for you, or even alternative paths that maybe perhaps otherwise wouldn't have considered. I'm particularly interested in the LinkedIn webinar and I will definitely be attending.
So to know more about the Career Fest, check out the Careers and Employability Service module on Canvas, then scroll down and click the Career Festival, I believe, and then you'll find the full schedule, more information about the session and much more if you need. But if you feel like you need more help, feel free to contact me via email or the careers service team at careers@kingston.ac.uk, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys there. Peace.
Remember, it's 26th of October to the 6th of November. See you there.